Okay, this is the new FM18, the FFN21 degree. I get it. I got it. I have the normal one, but I want to try the 21. My God. I didn't buy the kit because I have everything else. I just need the tube. I don't need the batteries, but I need the tube. Can use from 20 to 22. So let's see. I have some guys on this size of there you go. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna try it now and shoot some shots with it for the first time. Okay, let us just put the bag down. The bag look tough. And get my piece of wood. This one is for trying everything. And we're gonna try this one. So we put it this way, pull it, let it go. So let's try the 3 ampere for size. And on, and we need to give it a few seconds to get ready. It's fire to shoot, but give it a few seconds. And wow, that's very strong. Okay, so we put it like this. That even cracked a piece of wood in two. Let's try with something bigger. There you go. And now we're gonna see. Perfect. Well, guys, that is really holding perfectly, man. Oh, that's a baby. Let's see if I flash it with the surface. Yes, this is flashing on the surface. So if we curve it a little bit more. Yes. Oh, that's with the 3 ampere, it's enough. I don't think you need more. And you press this, pull it down, press this and go up and push them down. Now this is a nice baby and it's really nice and heavy. It's minimum 50 millimeter and maximum is 90 millimeter. Oh, that's perfect for me. And the head have to be from 2.9 to 3.8. Okay, and it's holding in the hand perfectly. You have a nice grip over here. Very nice grip. Very perfect grip. You can hang it up. Of course, that's almost in every tool in Milwaukee that you use it on the job site. But now we have the light over here. Let's see. Oh, it's okay. Enough light to finish the job in the dark. And we have two modes. One of them is firing 3 together, and the other one is firing each one by pulling the trigger each time. I prefer pulling the trigger each time. It is more fun for me. Now, this is the new guy in my collection. I'll be using it and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. Oh, how do I open this? Come on, Milwaukee, I need this wood. Okay, guys, if you want something to get the job done, you know where to go. Goodbye.